Good day. So, question is, how do I create a custom reports in Zoho Desk? So, to create a custom report in Zoho Desk, what you need to do, so let's say you just log into your Zoho Desk account, then you go to the analytics module, then on the left side, on the bottom left, you have here the reports. Here, you have here your pre-built reports. Then to create a custom report, you just need to click this icon here, this plus icons in the reports. Then you can simply select add report. If you want to create your own custom report folder, you just need to click this one. And then if you want to create a scheduled report, you just need to select this one. So let's do ahead and click the add report. Let's wait for it to load up. So now that the add report page is loaded, so first you need to select your module. So this is the primary module. So you select if you want to create the reports from the tickets or accounts or the activities or from the knowledge base. You can just select it. Then here you can select related modules. So anything related to the tickets, you can select them right here. Of course, this is not required, so you can just leave it blank. So let's try this one. Let's just focus on the tickets module, then create continue. Then you get to select which type of report you get to choose. You have the tabular report, which is just a list of your data in a simpler form. Then you have a summary report. This allows you to view your data with subtotals and groupings and other summary information. Then you have a matrix type report, which allows you to view the data summarized in a grid format against with both horizontal and vertical columns. So for this video, we're going to try to create a simpler report, which is the tabular reports. Then next we're going to select the columns. What fields or data do we want to see in the reports? Of course, we need to select the subject. To just click that and click add, and the subject, and let's add let's say the agent, the ticket owner. What else? You can add the ticket number and the priority if you want. Can select the created time and who created the ticket, then as well as channel. So if you already have this, so let's say you want to rearrange these sections right here, you select the columns. What you can do is just click on the field, then you can click on these two icons to move it up, down. And then if you don't want a certain field, you just click them and then click remove. That would remove them to your selected column. So let me just arrange this one. Let's move this up. Yeah, I think this is okay. So now we're done with the columns, we need to add the columns total if you want. Of course, this is not required. You can just skip this one. Then you can create a standard filter. So let's say the created time in the last 30 days, or you can do it from a lot of it. So you have previous year, current, then last month, yesterday next week, and so on. So let's say in the last 180 days, we can add filters. So we want to target specific tickets. For example, we want channels to only have Facebook, something like that. Then to add another filter, you just need to click this plus icon, then you can add them as well. If you want a either or filter, you can, let's say you want to add in, let's say, the priority is high. So if this is and, so if you can see, we have their channel is Facebook and priority ticket is high. So this means that both field, both conditions should be met. If you do an or situation, either one of this, if the channel is Facebook but the priority is not high, it would still be captured in the report. Or if the channel is not Facebook but the priority is high, that ticket would still be captured in the report. So basically, either one of them is correct, that record or ticket would be captured in the report. So once we're done with this, you can click save this report. So let's write this name sample report. Then you can add the description if you like. Then if you have created your custom folder, you can add them there, or you can use the pre-built folders here. Then just click save. Then here you have your reports, custom reports. So to edit this, you just need to click this icon here, click save, or you can customize them here. Just customize if you want to add other columns, and then if you want to check it, you just need to click run. So yeah, that's it. Click save, then you're done. Yeah, so that's how you create your custom reports. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you guys how can we schedule reports to be emailed to my team. So what we're going to do is just go to analytics module right here. Just click that. Then under reports, click that, and then here and the plus icons, just click that and select schedule report. So here you can name your schedule report. So let's say then we can add the start date. So I wanted to add them now. Should be greater than the current time. So let's say later at 2 p.m. Set save. Then if you want to repeat this, so let's say you want this report to be sent daily, you can do that, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So let's say pick daily reports. Then you need to select your report. So make sure you already have your created report. So I have created a custom report. So let me just look for it. Here, sample reports. Then you can select a column and then the time period. It's basically what data, if for the area. Then you can select the format. It can be PDF or 3 of them, or you can just select let's say PDF or an Excel. Then select the sender, and then the recipient information. So you can choose the team if you have specific team, or you want the roles. Say you want to send this to the manager or the CEO. Then you can also have the roles and subordinate. So basically all the subordinate of this manager will be saved. Then you can also add other recipients, basically LCC. So this, you can try adding the agent. Let's say you want a specific agent. Then if you want to send this report outside of the Zoho Desk system, so let's say another email. That if you want to add multiple, you just need to add a comma to separate the email and so on. So once you're done, you just need to click submit, and now you have a scheduled report. So basically every day at think it was 2 p.m. Yeah, every day at 2 p.m. this report would be sent to this specific agent, this one, or teams, if whatever we selected here. So yeah, to disable this, you just need to click this. So then you can enable them. Then you can also edit here, and if you don't want this schedule anymore, you can just click the delete button. So yeah, so that's how you create your scheduled reports and email them to your responding team or specific agent. Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create or customize your dashboards to show your key metrics. So the first thing is you need to go to the analytics module. Just click this module right here. Then if you can see, you already have pre-built dashboard. Unfortunately, these dashboards cannot be customized, but you can add filters in them. How can you create your own custom dashboard? So what you need to do is you just need to click this plus icon on the dashboards. Just click that. Then you can you have the options to create a dashboard folder. So each one of these is a dashboard folder. So if you do this, let's create a custom dashboard folder. It can be visible to me or all agents if you want to make it public, or you just want to specific agents, but for now just select only me. Then you have here now your modules. Then you can edit this or delete this if you want. Now let's add the dashboard. So to add, just need to click add dashboard, then add your dashboard name. Let's say tickets dashboard there, and I wanted to place it in the custom dashboard folders. Here you can add descriptions if you like. Then you can select your components here. So here in the components, we have here the reports. So if you want your dashboards data coming from report, you can select them here. If you don't find your reports here, you can create them in the reports module. So let's say I want to add this in the report there. To add that, then let's look for. So here I want to add this as well. You can select your chart type if you like. So you can be a bar, a line, or a table. Let's use a bar for now. Add that. Let's add another component. You have a gallery. These are pre-built KPIs or charts. So here you have tasks, tickets, surveys, response time, and then you have resolution time. But since we're creating a dashboard for tickets, let's just focus on here. So here we can create here. You can add this here. You can add a filter. And last month, you can change your component name. So you can say tickets created last month to make it direct. Then just click add, and let's wait for it to load. There. Then here you can also add this one. Let's add this one. Can use today. Then you have KPI cards. Okay, you can add certain KPI cards. You have a metric card, you have a comparison index, you have a bullet chart, and you have a dial chart. You can just select the information here, then just click add. Then we can also add some custom views here. Let's add your all tickets here. And let's say I check missed tickets. So then add that, and then yeah, last one is you need the Zoho Analytics for this one. Let's do that. Then let's say we're done with this and click finish, and yeah, that's it. Now you have created your own custom dashboard. To customize this, let's say you want to view this first up here, you just need to click and drag there. You can just drag them to whatever place you want. And if you want to edit this, you just need to click this pencil icon here, edit. Then you can edit your component. You can edit the agent and then the filter. This goes for the same for everything else. You can just click edit there. And if you want to remove your ticket, for example this one, I don't want this component anymore, just click the delete icon like that, then click delete, then that's it. You have deleted the component. Now let's say you want to add another component, you just need to click this add component button. Then you can select your components again, similar with what we did in the first in the creation. You just need to save that, and then you can have this ticket like that. So yeah, so that's it. So that's how you create your custom dashboard as well as customize it to your preference. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how we can filter data in reports by team or an agent. So if you go to the analytics module under the reports, then let's say you have here the agent's performance. To filter this to according to agent, you just need to select the agent here. If you have multiple agents, you should be able to see all of them, but if you only have, you can select them all agents. So this one you can get the specific agent's performance. You can do the response metrics, resolution, and then the SLA, and then the happiness metrics. Yeah, so that's how you can group them. By the way, you can group them by date, and then you can filter them for the last 30 days. I think yes, last month. Here you can see this performance. This same with the rest. So if you have the agent availability reports here, you can select based on their team. If you have multiple teams, you can just select them here. Then you can select by roles. Then you can also select individual agent. That's it. Yeah, and then the date, filter by date, and then group them by date or agent. This is same with the other reports. You can just do that one. If you go for the tickets does not have that. It's more on the static review. And if you check on the articles report, doesn't have that. The activity, and then the product reports. Yeah, so most common is in the static reports. So if we check, let's say check this ticket reports. Let's try adding a filter. So the common filter is just the date and then the duration. Doesn't allow us to, because uh, filter this data by team or agent. So we can have them on the static reports. Yeah, if in the custom reports, let's say you have a custom reports and you try to edit this one. Sorry, customize it. If you can do is you can add a criteria right here, and you can select the team who is assigned for this, or the agent, the ticket owner. Here, yes, something like that. You can do that. You do that in the custom reports, but for the standard reports, you can use these here at the top. So yeah, that's how you filter data in reports by teams or an agent. So if you like this video, click like and share and subscribe for more Zoho Desk how-tos. Thank you. Hi, hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can export reports to an Excel or a PDF. So first things first, you need to go to the analytics module. Here you can select the reports under the bottom left. Then you can select your reports. So you have your standard reports or pretty much pre-built reports. So let's say here. Then this one. Then just select this ellipsis. Then you can select them. You can import them as Excel, CSV, PDF, or a CSV with the max record. So let's try printing them, saving and exporting it as an PDF. Here, I have the reports in PDF format. Yeah. Same goes if we try it on a custom report. So this is my custom reports. So if we try to export it in an Excel file, here, if you can view them here, this is the exported Excel report. So if I think we can do it like this, we can see the data. It's the same. So you have here up to the created by. So yeah. So that's how you export reports to Excel or PDF or CSV, that matter. Yeah, if you like this video, feel free to click like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more how-to videos on Zoho Desk.